In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in and record a payment in QuickBooks Online with ease and precision. Whether you're a business owner, an accountant, or just managing finances, being able to effectively handle these tasks is crucial for keeping accurate records. So let's dive in and take it step by step. First, let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser. For the best experience, I recommend using Google Chrome, as it's commonly used and generally performs well with QuickBooks. Once your browser is open, type in quickbooks.intuit.com in the address bar to navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. If you've saved your login details previously, signing in will be a breeze. Otherwise, simply enter your credentials carefully to gain access to your account. Now that you're successfully logged into QuickBooks Online, let's proceed to the next step. Accessing the Receive Payment section. Look towards the top left of your screen and you'll find a plus new button. Go ahead and click on that to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Receive Payment. This will bring up the Receive Payment window where you can begin to enter the specific details of the payment received. The next thing you'll want to do is choose the customer who has made a payment to you. In the Receive Payment window, there's an option to select a customer. Click on this and locate the appropriate customer from the list. QuickBooks does a great job of laying out all open invoices for the customer you select, which leads us to our next focus. It's time to select which invoices you want to apply this payment to. You'll see a list of all open invoices for the customer you chose. Simply check the box next to the invoice or invoices that you want to link with this payment. Be mindful when doing this to ensure that you're applying the payment as intended. With the invoices selected, it's now time to enter the payment details. Start by filling in the payment date. This is the actual date you received the payment. Then, specify the payment method. This could be cash, a check, or a credit card, among others. If applicable, you'll also want to enter a reference number such as the check number to enhance tracking and accountability. Now, let's address the payment amount. QuickBooks will automatically default the amount to match the total of the invoices you've selected. If, however, the payment you received is only a partial one, go ahead and adjust the amount accordingly to reflect this. Once you've entered all the necessary details, you have two options, either Save and Close or Save and New. Choose the option that suits your current task workflow best. Finally, it's important to verify that the payment has been correctly applied. Head over to Sales in the menu and click on Invoices. Open the respective invoice to confirm that the payment is noted and that the balance has been updated. And there you have it, a systematic way to log in and record payments efficiently in QuickBooks Online.